What three things do Tom Brady, Jose Altuve, Serena Williams, Dustin Johnson, LeBron James, and Lionel Messi all have in common? They are considered by many to be the best in the world at what they do. 2, they possess an amazing level of natural athletic ability. And 3, they all have a coach. The majority of those who play at the top, whether in business or in sports, all have this in common. They attribute a huge part of their success to another person who provided guidance, advice, mentorship, and coaching. Larry Page mentored Marissa Myers. Michael Bloomberg taught Larry Page. Benjamin Graham advised Warren Buffett, and Maya Angelou mentored Oprah Winfrey. Hi, my name is Wayne Morgan, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. Over the years, I've been blessed to have met people who believed in me, saw my potential, saw me struggling to improve myself, and coached me. It happened in high school, it happened again when I started in business, and it happened again when I started in real estate. Now it can happen to you. If you hit your income ceiling, if you're working longer and harder but not seeing the financial results, then consider this. Maybe it's time to treat your career like a business. Maybe it's time to get a coach. Are you committed and coachable? Do you have the desire to play at the top of your profession? Are you ready to be the success that you know you can be, that you were meant to be? Real estate's a business. Unless you treat it like a business and run it like a business, one of two things are going to happen. One is you're never going to be the success you want to be. And 2, you will leave the business altogether like many others before you. Life is full of opportunities. Here's one for you. Just do these 2 things. First, go to my homepage, scroll down, and watch the videos and read testimonials from the owners, brokers, and managers of some of the largest and most prestigious real estate firms and organizations in the world. Then ask yourself this question: is it possible for me to learn anything from this guy? If the answer is yes, then go to this page. Check this out and ask yourself this question: do I want to take my business to the next level and do what it takes to play at the top? If the answer to that question is also yes, fill out the form and I'll call you to discuss your future. Who's mentoring you? Remember, you were born a genius and meant to be an incredible success. Your success is right in front of you. Do you want it? Thank you. Now go mind your own business.